Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a creamy garlic pasta with shrimp and vegetables. So we've got our large pot of boiling salted water going here. I'm going to take the lid off carefully. Got a lot of steam. Alright, so first things first, we're going to add our pasta in. Okay, we're going to get that going. Okay, so in the last couple of minutes, that's when we're going to add in the shrimp, our peas, our bell pepper, and our asparagus. Let those cook. They'll cook very quickly. In the meantime, we're going to get our sauce together. I've got a large bowl here. We're going to add salt. We've got fresh cracked black pepper. We've got some chopped parsley. We have lemon juice. Got some lemon zest. We have our Greek yogurt. Just gonna begin mixing this up. Garlic. All right, we're just going to let this set aside here until we're ready to toss our pasta in. Give our pasta a quick stir. All right, at this point, we're ready to now add in our vegetables and our shrimp. So we go in with the asparagus, our peppers and peas, and our shrimp. I'm just going to kind of toss this together a little bit. And basically at this point, all we're looking for is for the shrimp to cook, and at that point, everything else will be ready. All right, we're looking good. So now we're going to drain this. Gonna let this cool slightly before we toss it in our sauce and top with the pine nuts. Okay, so at this point, we're now ready to add our pasta and our veggies into our sauce. Okay. Just lightly tossing this together. Just like that. All right, so at this point, all that's left to do is to plate this up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.